Guys, welcome to another tutorial of the Solution Journals. Today we will learn how to recover delete Instagram message. The first thing you need to know is you can do this action in the application for smartphones of Instagram. So you need to go to your navigator, like Chrome, and you need to log in your session of Instagram in this navigator. So after that, you need to go to your profile, and in your profile, you need to go to this option in the superior left corner of this button of the configuration of the settings. You pick here, and in settings and privacy, you need to go to the account center, and in the option of the account center, you need to go to the part of give me a second. I translate to you. For you, you need to go to the option of personal information. So in personal information, in your information and permissions, you pick here, and you need to go here in the option of download your information. So in this part, you need to pick here and download or transfer information, and you need to put the password of your account. And after that, you need to put in the button of I want download or download the information, and you need to wait 24 hours to Instagram send to you a email where you can download all your information, your messages, your post, eliminated, and you can find the delete message you want to find. So this is the process. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Follow us for more content like this.